What if I told you that the gateway to reshaping your entire reality could be as simple as your breath? It might sound unbelievable, but with every breath you take, you're drawing in the very essence of existence. Breathing, the most instinctive and constant act we perform, holds a deeper mystery, a hidden force. And yet, nearly everyone overlooks this incredible truth. Yes, breathing is automatic. But what if I told you that when done with awareness, it becomes a tool, a technology for awakening, healing, and transformation? Let's explore the ancient secret guarded by mystics and sages, passed down quietly through the ages, the sacred art of pranayama. What is pranayama? For thousands of years, spiritual traditions around the world have honored the breath as the vital link between the body and spirit. In the teachings of ancient India, pranayama, which literally means breath control, is seen as a powerful practice to awaken consciousness and master the self. To them, breath wasn't just air. It was prana, the life force, the energy of creation, the divine in motion. Your breath connects your physical body to your soul, and your soul to the infinite. So what if the path to unlocking your highest potential, connecting with the universe itself, lies in something as natural as your breathing? When you become conscious of each inhale and exhale, when you breathe with purpose, something begins to shift. You begin to align yourself with the greater rhythm of existence. It's like you're tuning your body and mind to a higher frequency, one that echoes peace, clarity, and flow, breath and emotion. Think about it. Every feeling you experience, anxiety, calm, anger, joy, comes with its own breathing pattern. When you're stressed, your breath becomes short and shallow. When you're at peace, it becomes slow and full. Now here's the key. By shifting your breathing, you can shift your state of being. With conscious breath, you can guide your emotions, influence your thoughts, and even reshape the reality around you. But this isn't just about positive thinking. It's about understanding how deeply breath is connected to the laws that govern the universe. Ancient knowledge, modern awakening. In Taoist philosophy, breath is a sacred way of connecting to the Tao, the source of all creation. Breathe in a specific way, and the veil between the seen and the unseen thins. You start to access elevated states of awareness, where intuition sharpens, emotions balance, and synchronicities begin to appear. You sense that you're in tune with life itself. Let's practice together. So let's not just talk about it, let's experience it. Start by finding a quiet place where you can sit comfortably. You can sit cross-legged on the floor, or simply in a chair, feet flat on the ground. Keep your spine straight. Relax your shoulders. Place your hands gently on your knees or in your lap. Now, softly close your eyes and simply observe your breath. Notice the air as it flows in and out. Notice how your chest or belly gently rises and falls. Don't try to change anything just yet. Just notice. Now, place your thumbs lightly on your ears to block out external sound. Your index fingers should rest just above your eyebrows. Let the other fingers naturally touch your face. Inhale deeply through your nose, slowly filling your lungs. Now, exhale through your nose while making a gentle humming sound like the quiet buzz of a bee. Feel that vibration in your head, in your body. This is Brahmari Pranayama, a calming, centering breath. Repeat this pattern. Inhale deeply and exhale with a humming sound. Continue for 5 to 10 minutes. As you do, feel your awareness settle. Feel your thoughts slow down. Let the vibration guide you inward. When you're ready, lower your hands, return to normal breathing, and sit in stillness for a moment. Feel the difference. Breathing with intention. Why do we prepare so carefully for a simple breath? Because breathing with intention multiplies its power. It slows the process, but deepens the result. It clears the clutter. It melts away resistance. Resistance is that invisible wall inside you. The doubts, the fears, the old beliefs that say you're not enough, that you can't change. But when you breathe deeply, you send a signal, not just to your body, but to the universe itself that you're ready. Ready to let go, ready to move forward, ready to transform. Breath in Buddhist practice. In Buddhism, breath is used as an anchor, something to return to whenever the mind wanders. It's a path to presence. By focusing on the breath, we train ourselves to detach from chaos, from drama, from distraction. We find a calm center, even when life outside is stormy. So let's do another exercise together, this time to release resistance. Release exercise. Close your eyes again. Take a slow, deep breath in. Feel it fill your chest. Feel it expand your body. Now exhale, and with that breath out, let go of something. Tension, stress, negativity, fear. Again, inhale peace, exhale resistance. Repeat. Let the breath carry you to balance. Right now, you're doing more than breathing. You're awakening. You're aligning with the natural order of things. You're tuning your inner world to match the flow of the cosmos. Why it works? What makes this so powerful is its simplicity. No need for rituals, tools, or ceremonies. Just your breath and your focus. And as you keep practicing, you'll start to notice shifts, not just within, but around you. You begin to perceive energy, connection, the divine flow in all things. You realize you have the ability to influence your life in ways you never imagined. And this is just the beginning. The next step, Kundalini. Now that you've opened the first door through breath, let's talk about what comes next. You have a dormant power within you, an energy that ancient teachings describe as a serpent curled at the base of the spine. It's called Kundalini. Awakening this energy has the potential to create profound transformation, mentally, physically, and spiritually. It connects you to elevated consciousness. It's been written about in the sacred texts of India, in Gnostic writings, and even echoed by European philosophers like the lesser-known Jean-Baptiste Pellerin. He spoke of an inner force that, when awakened, connects us directly with the divine blueprint of the universe. When Kundalini rises, when it flows up the spine through the chakras, it can ignite insight, creativity, and a sense of purpose that feels destined. Conclusion. It all starts with the breath. Simple, natural, yet infinitely powerful. You don't need anything outside of you. The key is already within. So the question is, are you ready to use it?